When your state reopens, consumers and clients everywhere will be looking to you to see if you have made the shift in relaunching your business after this worldwide pandemic. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things that you need to do to be different when you relaunch your business and your brand after your state reopens. The first thing that you need to do when you relaunch your business is to be flexible. You want to make sure that you are rescheduling the clients who have been most loyal and who are in need of the most services when you relaunch your business. As far as flexibility goes, you might consider the first 30 to 90 days adding days that are not normal within your regular working schedule. For example, you might add a day such as Sunday or Monday to just keep up with the flux of clientele that you're going to be bombarded with when you reopen your business. And another example of being more flexible is to add a few extra hours onto the days that you normally work. So make sure that you are reasonable with your flexibility without burning yourself out earlier on in the game when you relaunch your business. Because you need to be more flexible, I recommend that you not take on brand new clients when you reopen your business. You want to make sure that you get in your loyal clients first before you start opening your schedule up to brand new clients. Another thing about flexibility is the fact that you will only be able to take one client at a time. And when you're taking one client at a time, you really need to know exactly the services that the client needs for that particular amount of time in your salon. The second thing that you're going to need to be when you relaunch your business after your state's shut down is consistency. Your consistency with communication is going to be crucial to your existing clients during this time because you will need to know exactly the services that they need prior to their appointment. Knowing the services that they require prior to their appointment is very important because for you, it's going to be a matter of knowing exactly what services that you might want to upgrade so that you can make more money and not have to discount your services. Creating consistency is so important in the first 90 days of you relaunching your business. This will allow your business to operate without any anxiety and any overwhelm from the flux of clientele that you will experience when you reopen your business after the shutdown. Third thing that you will need to be when you relaunch your business is you will need to work a little faster. Because you will only be able to do one client at a time, you will need to develop a system that creates a little bit more of a workflow that helps you move a little faster throughout your salon systems. I have a system that will help you do that, which is called speed styling. The speed in speed styling stands for systems and processes to execute with excellence daily. You will need to be able to work faster, be more efficient, and make more money in your salon workflow. When I say work faster, I don't mean rushing through your clients. I believe in still giving your clients the ultimate salon experience, but with more efficiency and more speed. It's a 5-step approach that you can implement in your salon business today. What systems have you been working on that you can implement and be different when you return to work and relaunch your business after the shutdown? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you and find out what you're working on so that you can implement in your business and still continue to be fast, more efficient, and also make more money even though you have to do one client at a time. So the fourth thing that you're going to need to implement in order to be different in your business when you relaunch it is to be more efficient. To be more efficient is going to take a lot of patience. So being more efficient is going to have you thinking about a lot between every single client. What I recommend you do is just have a checklist. Create a checklist of everything that you need to do prior to a client sitting down in your chair. You want to just make sure that you're taking the steps and the precautionary measures that you want to adhere to legally, in addition to making your clients feel most comfortable to continue to come and be serviced by you in the salon. When thinking about being more efficient, you really need to think about the cost that you're going to incur as a beauty professional. You might have a client that comes in that doesn't have a mask, so you want to be prepared so that you have extra gloves and also extra masks that you can provide to your client. Because there's going to be extra added detail to your business when you relaunch after the shutdown, you want to really think about this efficiency factor, and you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of what you're providing to your client. You might consider adding on a service fee of $5 or $10 to help your bottom line so that you can still see profit from your business, even though you have to provide extra added incentives for your client to make them feel comfortable and safe. So the fifth thing that you're going to need to be when you relaunch your business after the shutdown is patience. Patience, patience, patience. Patience is going to include so many different things. You're going to have so many different clients on so many different thinking and emotional levels. You're going to have clients who are freaking out still and going to be watching you and making sure that you're sanitizing everything before you sit down. They may even ask you, have you sanitized this? Have you sanitized that? Is this a new cape? Are you using a new comb? Are you using a new brush? And you're going to get tired of those questions. Make sure you fill yourself with the spirit of patience, because it's going to be a lot required of you as a beauty professional to go back and experience those clients who require a lot more patience. Then you might have the client who is just chill, that they don't really want to talk about COVID-19. They want to talk about life. They want to talk about striving and how they can be more successful in their life. And you want to talk about how you're thriving in your life, your business, and your brand, and how you prepared for the relaunch of your business. But you're going to have those negative Nancys and those negative Neds. You know, we're experiencing very crucial times in life and in different industries. It's still a blessing to be alive. So make sure that you put on the spirit of patience every single day. So relaunching your business after the shutdown and your state's reopening is going to require so much from you. So I truly hope that these 5 things that I've listed, although they are not the only things that you're going to need to be doing differently, but just some things that you need to be doing differently and changes that you need to make when you relaunch your brand, when your city or state reopens. And guys, there are so many places that you can have conversation when you are online, that when you are ready to hear real talk with real professionals sharing real experiences, that you return to the ultimate virtual salon experience, the Salon Chat TV. And until next time we chat, make sure that you are being the best version that you can be of you. And until next time, peace.